RM Recomax GC1065 is our most advanced model, used LCD and buttons to replace dial and knobs which are out of date. The discrimination mode means you can eliminate all the metal you don't want. Owning this metal detector, you'll find the metal detection is both professional and convenient. Ready to begin a new journey for detecting treasure? Here we also provide some useful tips to help you enjoy it. If you couldn't detect the target object, sometimes the detecting may be restricted by some factors. A. The depth of the target. To detect the target deeply buried, you can adjust the sense to a high level depending on the depth of the target. But metals buried underground 9 inches may not be detected. B. The size of the target. Sometimes tiny iron and steel needles cannot be detected, and you can try to increase the sensitivity or lower the disc numeric value. C. Speed of moving coil. You may miss a target if you walk too fast. Never sweep the search coil as if it were a pendulum. If the metal detector do not stop beeping. A. In the area of highly mineralized ground, the detector will sound even if there is no metal. In this case, you can lower the sensitivity or increase the disc numeric value. Meantime, enhance the distance between the search coil and the ground. B. In the area with trashy metal, you can set disc numeric value to 50. In this case, most nails and small pieces of iron will be eliminated. C. Metallic digging tools will also affect the detection if they are near the search coil. So it's better to place them a little far away. Have a great time during your journey of detecting. GC1065 metal detector will definitely help you achieve it.